Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial will be on Bubu using net material. So I'm folding this into two already. So I'm going to fold it into four now. So I've folded it into four like this. Look at it. It is into four already. Like this. So I'm going to shape it. Like this. After then, you're going to take the measurement, the full length. Here I'm using 50. I'm using 57. Yeah, got 57 here. I'm using 57. So I'll cut it out. Like this. So I'm going to determine the neck. Yeah, the shoulder is 8. Yeah. So I'm going to determine the neck from 4. From 4 here to 4 here also. So I'm going to cut it. Like this. As you can see. So here is a Bubu gown. Like this. So you shape the remaining out when you are sewing it. Like if you want to determine the bust, here I'm using 12. You determine here I'm using 9. From here I'll determine the bust from 9 here. So from here you're going to determine the bust. I'm using 12. From 12 you're going to determine the waist. So 16. So from 16 you're going to determine it. I'm using 10 here. So from that 10 you draw it to where 12 is. Then you draw it out like this. Sketch it out like this. So that's where you are going to place your machine for sewing. So this is all about Bubu style. Bye. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. Bye.